Well, okay, here we are again, guys. It's continuing the Lord of the Rings theme. And this is, I'm going to pronounce it Wētā till I hear different, Wētā Cave. And this is where the Peter Jackson and crew and all these dudes did a ton of work on the Lord of the Rings movie. And we're going to go see if we can get in here and have a tour around. And there are some things here from the movie, I am told. So the first thing we got to do is figure out where the door is. I think I see one. It's a big building. Check out the painting there. Celebrating the 20th anniversary Lord of the Rings. Okay, I still don't see it. I think we have to go around the corner, Leslie. Let's go ahead and switch. Let's switch sidewalks here. Car coming now. You need to wait. Okay, you'll have to get a picture of me with the troll here. Well, we made it, guys. We have found our way in. I'm not going to be able to do very much filming during the tour, so we're just going to show you some gift shop stuff here, which I am going to buy a fair share of, I think. Unfortunately, I'm traveling in a suitcase, so I'm just get some clothing. So yeah, they did some other movies here too, not just Lord of the Rings. Maybe I'll buy a book, like a paperback book. Oh man, look at these. Look at this. 2,899. Now that's it's New Zealand dollars, so roughly just cut it in half for US. I mean, that's not exactly right, but just to give you an idea. Wow, they let this one out of the cage. You can see it. This is the Ranger costume the Rangers would have worn. Awesome. If you're looking for figurines, you got about 1 million of them. Oh, this is a cool little room. Some more costumes. Check out the mace. Oh my god. Third Age Gondorian armor. Uric scouts and orcs. This would be the scouts, and this would be the orcs. Man, look at that. $250 costumes were individualized by adding, chopping, mashing, slashing them in different ways. Wow. I wonder if this was screen used. It sure does look like it. Alright, before we get going, this is Aragorn's tobacco pouch. Right there. From the movie. The daggers of Westernese. There's the dagger. Merry's helmet, armor, and feet. So there's Merry's helmet. There's his feet. And I guess that's his armor over there. And Theoden's sword, helmet, and pauldron. So here's the... Okay, no, that's the pauldron right there. Cool. And we got the Noldorin daggers. On this side, a little hard to see, but they're over there. Yeah, I can't really see those. And Gimli's helmet. Oh wait, I said it wrong. That's Gimli's helmet. I knew that didn't look right. That's definitely not a other one. So that's Gimli's helmet from the movie. There he is wearing it. So let me go back to the other one. Mary's helmet, armor, and feet. I don't really see his... Can you imagine walking around with those things on? Mary's feet. I don't really see his helmet. Seems not to be in there.
He's right there. It's an example of Weta Workshops, one of their many love stories. It's a wonderful couple that came from Weta. And they've brought simple scripting. So he's originally a scientist by trade. You can see all the projects that he's worked on up there on those posters. So, for example, he's worked on the Matrix. My coolest factoid about Warren is that he's touched Keanu Reeves before. So, you know Keanu, when he's in that pod and he has those, you know, little kind of things all over him? He was the one that had to get that goo on Keanu and get it off. So, really funny guy. But he's really into bombs, explosives, you know, any goo, anything. Really cool guy. But